I received the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi deadbolt. So this deadbolt seemed pretty cool when I was looking at it online. So it actually has a lot of features to it that are really cool. And the Wi-Fi actually allows you to have different e-keys, or it'll also let you know if your door is actually open or if it's locked or closed, which I'm one of those people where halfway to wherever I'm going, I'm thinking to myself, did I lock the door? This type of accessibility to the actual deadbolt is pretty cool. I would say this is a really good deadbolt for somebody who maybe Airbnbs or something like that. So let me get into this box and I'll show you the quality of it. Maybe it'll be a good fit for you. I can already tell that the quality of this is really nice. These are seriously heavy. They actually weigh a good amount. Like, you can definitely tell the quality of these. Also, the buttons seem to be a lot nicer than most of the buttons that honestly in a year's time usually wear off or crack or anything like that. But these seem to be made of like a real nice rubber. So I feel like these are going to last a lot longer than some of the others that tend to crack. I've actually had quite a few that just crack. It does come with these other parts that you're going to need to be able to install it. And they are made of good quality as well. It also has live fingerprint identification. So right in the center here is where you're going to put your thumb. All in all, I am super impressed with this deadbolt. It is so heavy duty, and like I said, those buttons are made of like a heavy duty rubber, so they're not going to wear out anytime soon. And the fact that it has so many different features to it is a huge bonus. Being able to log the records of the door, to knowing if the door is actually locked, is great for your peace of mind. So if you're looking for a deadbolt, I would definitely say this is of great quality if that's what you're looking for.